the wristband. When you come in, I'm gonna cut your wristband off.
And then let's go to the shoes, you guys. Go to the shoes. Wow, they still got these in 10 and 10 and a halves. But yeah, and these, yeah, not bad. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, it's what, 7:05 or something like that in the morning. It is, what day is it? It's Monday. It's Veterans Day, so happy Veterans Day, guys. For those of you veterans out there, thank you so much for serving. Thank you so much for what you do for our country and whatnot. We definitely appreciate you guys here at Cool Kicks. So appreciate it. But yeah, it's what, 7:05 or something. We just started the line out at Footlocker. We're trying to get these Kyrie 5 Preheat, the Los Angeles versions. So yeah, we just started the line. I just struck out on the Clots, the Air Force One Clots. I was trying to flip those, to be honest. But yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. Let's see what happens. It's nobody's in line. We were surprised as hell. We got here super early. I'm here with Bossco and a couple of his subscribers and whatnot. So yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. Let's make it happen. We are at the House of Hoops. We're at the House of Hoops out in Hollywood, California. This is like the flagship for Footlocker. So yeah, I'll look around in here, and yeah, I'll give you guys a tour of this place, and we'll check out, see what they got, you guys. And we might have miscalculated. Not too many of us. Not too many of us. But yeah, still waiting. So it's 9 o'clock. Give you guys a little update. A little bit of a crowd. I can't even see my phone that much, but yeah, got a little bit of a crowd. Got 1 hour left. Yeah, let's see what happens, guys. See what happens. All right, getting back from a little restroom break. Dang, look at the line right there. Look at that line in front of the Foot Locker. Actually, wait, no, that's just people trying to cross the street. All right, let's get back and see what the line situation is, you guys. So we got a few additional people now. Still waiting. Okay. Crowd's growing a little bit. I do got my wristband, you guys, so doing some sightseeing for you guys. El Capitan Theater right there. Apparently they got a Hello Kitty. Wasn't aware of that. I don't really know this neighborhood that well. Got the Dolby Theater. And this is the mall. We're at Hollywood and Highland, you guys. Hollywood and Highland. Oh snap, you guys. Jerry Bus. Jerry Bus, what's up? That's awesome. Awesome. Gonna walk back. So everybody got their wristbands, so they're kind of dispersed on their thing, but yeah, we got 30 minutes left. 30 minutes left. All right, so we're like 15 minutes till. Got a little crowd here now. So now we are happy we got here really early. But yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to figure out if I should get another one to sell or another one to, yeah, we'll see what's up, you guys. See what happens. Starting to give directions.
You gotta document this shit, you gotta record this shit.
Let's get ourselves in American order.
Yep.
So everybody with the wristband, when you come in, I'm gonna cut your wristband off. Okay, and then you guys, if you guys want another pair, then you can come back to the back of the line, okay? So your wristband will be cut, and then you'll come to the back of the line, just general public, okay? Perfect. I appreciate you guys' patience, but we got enough pairs, okay? Perfect. So let's just be organized, so we don't get nuts. Yep. I'm gonna let 5 people in at a time. Right. That way we'll be organized. Okay? All right. So 2, 3.
Time to get it, you guys. Time to get it. Time to get it. What's up? We'll get you back at the register. 10 and a half? First pair sold. First pair sold in LA. Or one of them. I gotta go in, you guys.
We got a good amount.
Paying for it. Oh, I can't even see it.
What size?
There you go, you guys. Thank you. Sweet. Alright, I did get the sneakers, you guys. I'm gonna look around here for you guys since this is one of the dopest Footlockers around. So yeah, I'm gonna look around for you guys. Wow, they still got these in 10 and 10 and a halves. It's what day is it? It's Veterans Day. It's Monday, you guys, and 3 days after they still got these here. I see why Bossco loves this store so much, man. That's dope. They got most of the usual suspects. Nothing super dope. I've never seen this colorway. Have any of you guys seen this colorway? As I drop it, I've never seen this colorway. This is dope. There's a bunch of words on it, and why not? That's dope. Everything is going for retail, or pretty much everything. Got the top 3 ones. Got the reflective pack. I'm surprised those aren't on sale. They've been on sale everywhere else. Got the taxis. These are pretty dope. Those are dope. Peachy 3 Mambas on sale. Okay. Mamba Mentality colorway. $80. Not bad. Not bad. Get a little discount. Oh, I love these. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these. These are go for retail game, and I don't pay retail for many pair of shoes, but yeah, that's dope. I don't see those at the outlet. I might have to pay retail. Got the Kyrie 5s now, the Mamba Mentality version of that one. I think that's that colorway. I don't know. This is the Rose, no, the All Bros colorway too. All Bros 2 colorway, not bad. Okay, these are on sale. These are alright. Most, I've talked about it a lot. I prefer these over the LeBron 17s. I think I'm one of the few that I like that though. But yeah, those are dope. Then I got the Kobe's. The Kobe's totally remind me of the Jordan 30, the 34s, man, or 33s. My bad, Jordan 33s. Totally remind me of those. Yeah, going for retail. Pretty cool. It's like weird. The material's so weird. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. I have no clue which Air Force One this is. Man, there's so many Air Force Ones that come out. But yeah, this is dope, you guys. This is dope. So many different materials. Got the buck leather right there. Got, is that a denim? I can't even tell what kind of material that is. The synthetic right here on the side, and then got the eyes. Obviously, is that leather or synthetic? It's synthetic material. That's dope though. I like that hint of pink. Not totally pink, but hint of pink. That's actually really cool. Got all the basketball shoes right here. Oh, they got these on sale. Ouch. Messing on my shoes. They got these on sale. I love these. The Carpe Diem colorway. I do like these. I don't know. Let's see. You know, I do have to say I like the black. I like these a little bit better. I don't remember what colorway that is, but I do like those better. I think the material in that's better too. I think the material moves a little bit better and stuff. But yeah, and these, yeah, not bad. All right, the staff here is super nice. Kind of introduced me to this thing. This is dope, you guys. They pretty much show the technology and everything behind every LeBron shoe. Dope. From the ones, I'll kind of show you every one of them. Ones, the 2s, 3s. So after the 4s, you pull these bad boys out. So I guess I can't show all of them. This is the 5 right there. That's dope. 5s, 6s, 7s. And it shows they won the championship. That's awesome. And the MVPs, that's dope. 8s, 9s. I don't even know I'm saying the numbers because y'all can see the numbers. 13s right there. Hey, the 14s are the only ones they don't got a picture of. Introduced the battle net for the 15s. We all know the 16s right there. And the 17s. That is dope. And it shows all the technology behind the air, the cushioning. That's one of the dopest displays I've ever seen at any of the shoe places. That's dope. All right, I'm not gonna cover all the shoes. I did cover some, but because this was more about, this trip was more about this, you guys, getting them Kyries. And we'll open these back up. We'll open these up in a little bit. give you guys a look. Almost forgot, there's an upstairs, you guys. Upstairs, the kids and the women's section. Gonna look around real quick.
People are bringing in new cars. They're awesome.
Got the kids section right here. Pretty good size, you guys. Pretty good size. Then we got the women's section. Sorry, guys. Sorry, ladies. Usually I do cover the women's. You guys know that, but today I'm kind of in a hurry, so yeah. And to be honest, the prices here aren't that great. Wait. Hold up. All right, man. I rarely ever look at Adidas, but dang, 129, man. Those are normally 180. Not bad. That's a really good deal. These ones, man. Surprised these didn't sell out, man. These are dope. I've seen these at a few places. Yeah, they got little spickle spackles. It is a mid, so that's probably why, because all the OGs only like the highs. But yeah, the material, I guess the materials aren't the greatest on this either, but they look dope though. No, good price. But yeah, the materials aren't the greatest, but still not bad though. Not bad. All right, we'll look around for a few minutes. You know, can't leave you guys with nothing. Fuck it. Yeah. Well, 130 though. Yeah. I'm just looking around. Thank you. 130. These are dope. These are dope too, though. I don't know about the retail game, but these are dope. Look at the color. Love that pastel look. That is super nice, you guys. Super nice. These ain't bad either. 130. I think I've seen this one at the outlet though. So you know I'm messing with that. Got some deals on some Air Max Plus. It's $30 off. They're not super cheap, but not bad. Not bad. Pretty cool colorway too. Pretty decent, you guys. We got the first shoe of the Fearless pack. I don't remember exactly what these are called, but the super shiny shoes. They're like little studs of metal, or what is it? I can't really tell. Little plastic studs, little plastic pieces. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting material. I've never seen shoes like this. Not bad. Going for what? These are 160. This is a high though. We've seen these blazers. No, okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah. Because last time I thought it was dope right here too, and then they tricked me. I don't know. What do you ladies think about the zipper and stuff? Or what do you guys think about the zipper too? Let me know. I'm kind of good with those. These two. These look dope from this side. But then you're like, oh, okay. That's kind of whatever. But yeah, well, these going for what? 100 right here? These going for 80. Interesting. Yeah, but that's the women's section, you guys. It's the women's section. Pretty dope place. Women's right there and the kids right there. Pretty dope. Bossco doing his thing. Just call it a day. Yeah, you got 300 something? Alright, let's look at the pair, you guys. Actually, you know what? Let's start with the box. There's Preheat. It doesn't say LA or anything. That's interesting. Oh, it just has a color. It's a color scheme as well as the name. And yeah, here's the box. Interesting box. And then let's go to the shoes, you guys. Go to the shoes. That's dope. Let's do it this way because the color's a little bit better. Nice. That's dope, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these, man. These are dope. The strap, you guys. Got the stuff on the back. Changes shape. Changes shape or changes images. Dope. That is dope. Dope, you guys. Huge fan. Oh, and it says LA right there. I missed that. That is dope. No paper right there, but yeah. Okay, now we're good. That's dope, you guys. That's dope pair of shoes. Dope pair of shoes. All right, guys, that was a long morning. It's what, 10:15 or something like that. Finally got a pair. Heading out. Really good experience. You guys should visit this Footlocker. This is a flagship store, so they do get a bunch of other stuff. So dope experience. Dope experience. So thanks for watching, you guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you do, make sure you guys hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when the latest videos come. I do drop some sort of sneaker video pretty much every day. So yeah. So thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.